Hello everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. What we have today is from Two Hands. I have what they call dirty fries. Isn't that what they call them? Dirty fries. They're actually like a tater tot with stuff on them. And then I have a Two Hands corn dog. Two Hands is a corn dog themed restaurant. I guess it's like Seoul, Korea street food. And I mean, look at this. What you're seeing on top in red is like Cheetos crushed up. And then underneath that is a dirty sauce is what they call it. And underneath that, oh man, this thing's got weight to it. Underneath that, yeah, let's make this a little less messy. Potatoes. This is the potato version. It's their regular batter with the potato on there, and then you got the Cheetos, and you've got the dirty sauce. This is wild looking. Just take that in.
It looks massive.
It actually looks like a big flaming hot Cheeto right there. All right, let's get into it. Dear Lord, thank you for this meal. There's like a little sweetness to that batter. At least I think it's in the batter. The hot dog's good. It's a beef sausage hot dog. Good size, and then with all this extra on it, it's heavy. A lot of food there. This is definitely like exciting type food. This isn't anything that I would want to do every day. There's just no way. I mean, it's like kids' food, sort of. Exciting. These dirty fries, they're like a tater tot with it looks like the same stuff on here. Cheetos, and it does look like, or is it? So maybe the dirty sauce is not in there. Let's just see what happens here. Again, a little sweetness. I like the sweetness. It seems to be that's part of this street food is sweet added to the savory with fun condiments. All right. Tater tots are a little soggy, but the flavor's there. You're just not getting that crunch. Flavor is good. Let me get another bite of this, and then I'm going to give you my scores. I think I'll review both these separate. I can tell you this one right here, it's novel. I mean, it's novelty. Look what you got there. It's tater tots with crushed up Cheetos. You could probably do that at home. But whatever that sweet aspect is to this, I really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and give this 6.1 out of 10. And let's get one more bite out of this one. Texture's great. Once you bite into that texture, and then you get that nice doughy batter flavor that has a slight sweetness to it. And you go through all this madness to get there, but you still have that crunch. I don't know what this powder is. I'm going to have to look up what this powder is. But there's certainly a powder there. Some sort of flavor powder. What? I don't know. These things are still a bit of a mystery to me. But I gotta say, it's good, it's tasty, great flavor, it's fun. Will I go out and, have to get this and crave this once a week? No way. This is an every now and then item. So as far as the corn dog, I'm going to give it 7.2 out of 10.
This first item here is called, well, it's a corn dog. It's from a place called Two Hands. Fresh corn dogs. I'm going to try to get this open and be careful here. It is a Korean style corn dog. Wow. Just take a look at that. So this is their crisp rice corn dog here. I'm going to take it out of this package here. Set this off to the side here. And then my other item here is this Kung Fu tea. This is the strawberry lemon green tea, and this has strawberry popping boba in it as well. So I'm going to take a look, try both items here.
Now, Kung Fu Tea is from a restaurant called Kung Fu Tea.
Yes.
And Two Hands is from a restaurant called Two Hands. They're both very close to each other, like just a couple shops difference. So that's why we have
the
two different items here from two different places.
Good to clarify that, yes. These are two separate restaurants, two separate places, but they were right next to each other. So I'm going to try the both of them here. I'm going to start with the corn dog here. So the unique thing about Two Hands is that you can choose whatever filling. So this is a beef sausage. You could get mozzarella or half sausage, half mozzarella. This is their crisped rice dog. So you can see it's got this crisp rice coating. You can hear that crispness. Sugar. This also has sugar and then a ketchup and mustard drizzle on top. So super interesting. I can't imagine these flavors together, exactly how it's all going to go. I think it's going to be pretty unique here. So let's give it a try. Dear Lord, thank you for this meal. You had to have heard how crisp that was as I bit into it. That texture of the crisp rice really just is a highlight. And this batter is pretty unique as well. It's got a bit of breadiness, still has that corn dog flavor with the batter, but still something quite different with the sweetness, not just of the sugar, but it really comes through with that mustard and ketchup on top. I'm going to get another bite here. That is just fun. That crispiness, that texture with the nice beef sausage on the inside there, coming together with some sweetness. It's got that savory sweet combo together. That crispiness, that is really a nice bite. Now let's get into this Kung Fu tea here. Have some, I'm getting a little parched, so this will be a nice drink here to go with my corn dog. Gets me every time. So I'm looking for some strawberries, some lemon, some brightness here. I can even see some strawberry pieces down in the bottom. That definitely packs a punch of flavor. Strawberry really comes through. Some brightness from the lemon. I did get a couple of popping boba pieces in there. Very nice overall. Let me get another drink from this here. This would be very refreshing in the summertime as well. It's got that tartness with the strawberry lemon, almost like a lemonade with the tea. It really comes through, and I think this is probably called one of their punches because it's got the real fruit flavor. All in all, two really good items here. So overall, looking back at the corn dog here, it is a nice flavor, great texture, good batter. It's a big bite with that sugar and savoriness. Overall, I'm going to give it a 6.7 out of 10. And for the Kung Fu tea here, really great, really punchy flavor, very bright, very tart. They don't skimp on anything for that. I'm going to give it a 7.1 out of 10.